Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to discuss a new update that has been arrived for VMware Workstation. As you can see on my screen, we have a new software update like it's a VMware Workstation 17.5.2 is a free update for all VMware Workstation 17 users. To install this new update, go here at download and install, click here. So under VMware Workstation 17.5.2 Pro release, as we can see in VMware document site, this release introduces product enhancement to support a new commercial subscription and personal user license model apart from this. So this release resolves vulnerabilities like CVE 2024 2267, 2268, 2269 and 2270. So this release also contains security and bug fixes. So I think this is a required update. This update is also going to resolve certain issues like VMware net service uses high CPU with no virtual machine running. So on Workstation Pro 17.5.0 and 17.5.1, vmnet.execute file have high CPU utilization even when no virtual machine is running. So this issue is now resolved. I think this is both an update to make this happen right now. So let's begin doing the setup. Click on next. So I'm closing this VMware Workstation Pro from behind and then clicking OK, and then click yes, accept the license agreement, read this license agreement carefully, click on next. I'm also checking this one, enhanced keyboard driver, click on next. So do you want to check the product update on starter? I'm leaving it as it is. I'm unchecking the VMware customer experience improvement program, click on next. Do you want to create shortcuts on desktop? For now I am skipping this one, but I want this on my start menu program folder, like here. I'm clicking yes, next, and click upgrade to begin installation. I am clicking now upgrade. Now the installation of VMware Workstation Pro have begun, so let's wait patiently. Now the VMware Workstation Pro setup wizard has been completed. Now click the finish button. Now it's asking to restart your system. So go ahead and click restart. After restarting your computer, VMware Workstation Pro, launch your VMware Workstation Pro. Click on help and then click on this about VMware Workstation Pro, and now we can see our VMware Workstation Pro is now updated to 17.5.2. So this is all guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.